How are you? Okay, so are you ready for our math lesson for today? So our lesson in mathematics is about characteristics and parts of prism. Okay, everybody let us read characteristics and parts of prism. Before that, we're going to review this one. Okay, last time teacher Mary taught you about 2D and 3D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional shapes and 3D means three-dimensional shapes. Okay, let's have letter A. Circle. It's a circle, right? So what kind of shape is circle? 3D or 2D? Okay, a circle is a 2D shape. Letter B. What kind of shape is this? It's a cube, right? It's a cube. It's a cube, so it's a 3D shape. Okay. Letter C. What kind of shape is letter C? It's a triangle. It's a 2D shape. How about letter D? It's a cylinder. Right? Is it a cylinder? Yes, it's a cylinder. So what kind of shape is cylinder? It's a 3D shape. How about letter E? Letter E is a square. So a square is a 2D shape. And letter F, it's a sphere, right? It's a sphere. So sphere is a 3D shape. Okay, 2D shapes. What is a 2D shape? So let's review first. How do you know it is a 2D shape? Okay, so look at the example. A 2D shape has only two dimensions, height and width. So a 2D shape has two dimensions. You just remember two things in 2D. Height and width. Height and width. And also a 2D shape can draw it easily on a piece of paper. So a 2D shape is easily to draw in a piece of paper. 2D means a shape is two-dimensional. So when you say two-dimensional, you just remember height and width, right? Okay, what shape is this? Example. How many angles and sides does this shape have? So this shape is a circle, right? It's a circle. It has one curve. It has one curved side and it has no measurable angle on its sides. So a circle may angle. So may angle. Okay, how about this one? What shape is this? Okay, how many corners and sides does this shape have? So this shape is a semicircle. Okay, it's a semicircle. It has only one curve and straight side. It has corners. So where are the corners? Let's see. So these are the corners. And one side. This is the one side. And one curve. Okay, this is the curve. It's a semicircle shape. There are lots of circular 2D shapes in our everyday life. Okay, if you look around, you can see a lot of 2D shapes. When you look around in the house, in the classroom, you can see shapes. Circle. Okay, let's see. Look around the classroom. You can spot any circular shape. Okay, example. Everyday life, circular shapes. A clock face. A clock face. Circular. A lollipop person sign. This one. Okay, a lollipop person sign. A CD. Okay, it's a 2D shape. A CD. What is a polygon? Okay, let's have a review about polygon. We learned already about polygon, but let's see if you can still remember. A polygon is a 2D shape with 3 or more straight sides. Okay, remember that polygon is 2D. Okay, a 2D. Can you think of any polygon shape names? Okay, what are the example of polygons? Example, this one. What shape is this? Okay, so this shape is a triangle, right? How many angles inside does this shape have? Okay, look, there's a lot of example of triangle. There's an equilateral triangle. There's a right angled, scalene, and isosceles. But they're all triangle. When you say triangle, 3 straight sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Shimei? 3 straight sides and 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. So, triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Everyday life, 3-sided triangle shape. Okay, look at this one, a roadworks sign. So we can use this shape, or we can see the shape anywhere, right? We can see any triangle, different triangle when we see around, when we look around. Okay, this one, what shape is this? So it's a square. Okay, so when you say square, it has 4 straight sides and all of equal length and 4 angles. So square has 4 equal length. The sides of this square, or all the sides of the square are equal in length. And it has also 4 angles. 3, 4. Okay. A rectangle, also an example of polygon. Okay. What shape is this? Okay, let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 sides. It's an octagon. When you say 8 sides, or when you count the shape and it has 8 sides, it is an octagon. Okay, it is an octagon. 8 sides and 8 corners. Okay. Can you think of any words that start with oc that will help remind you that an octagon has 8 sides? Let's think. Word starts with oc. Octopus. Right? Octopus has 8 tentacles or 8 legs. Oh, there you go. Octopus. Okay, so an octopus has 8 Legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, an octopus. Okay, how about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is also an octagon, right? Octagon. It's a sign, traffic sign, road sign. Okay, let us review also about quadrilateral. When you say quadrilateral, what is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral shape has four sides. When a shape has four sides, meaning it has four angles also, right? So these are the example of quadrilateral. We have here square, rhombus, rectangle, kite, and a parallelogram. We have also trapezoid, okay, but not here. We have also trapezoid. Okay, summary of shapes. Let's have a summary of shapes. Circle has one side only. One side. Semicircle, there are two sides. Straight and curve. Okay, straight side, curved side. A flat side and a curved side. Triangle has three straight sides. Square, four equal sides and four angles. Rectangle, four sides, two longer and two angles. Pentagon, five sides. Hexagon, six sides. Heptagon, seven sides. Octagon, eight sides. Nonagon, nine sides. Decagon, 10 sides. Okay, so these are example of 2D shapes. Okay, now let's have this one. A circle, equilateral triangle, kite, hexagon, trapezium or trapezoid. Okay, they're the same. Trapezium and trapezoid are the same. Square, octagon, rhombus, parallelogram, isosceles triangle, rectangle, and right-angled triangle. Now let's move on to our lesson proper about 3D shapes or characteristics and parts of a prism. So look at this one. What is the difference between a 2D shape and 3D shape? Okay, look at the two shapes in there. You can see this square and this one also. So where is the 2D and where is 3D in here? Okay, so these two, also this orange is what is our 2D. Okay, and this one is our 3D. So, which 3D shapes can you name? So, you think what kind of 3D is this? It's a cube. It's a cube, right? Okay, let's have the meaning of 3D. What is a 3D shape? A 3D shape has length, okay, remember, has length, width, and height. Chimay, you just remember three words. In 2 dimension, we remember two words, height and width. But 3D, need to remember three words, length, width, and height. and a shape that has thickness. Okay, a shape that has thickness. Like for example, on the picture, a cuboid, a cylinder, what do we call for this one? Cube. Okay, let's find out. Now let us read first this vocabulary word about 3D. Okay, prism. Prism is a 3D shape with two faces that are congruent and parallel polygons. All other faces are rectangles. The name of this prism is based on the polygon face or faces. So it is an example of prism. Okay, this is a prism. Pyramid. A 3D shape with one face that is a polygon, which is called the base. All of the other faces are triangles that meet on a vertex or on the point. So here's the vertex. Okay, and the base is polygon. What kind of polygon? Rectangle or square or any quadrilateral can be a base of pyramid. Okay, look at this example. What do we call for this 3D? It's a cube. Okay, can you think of any object which are shape of a cube? Like what? Okay, let's have here. Oh, these pictures are example of cube. Okay, so Rubik's cube, a gift, what is this? A toy, stuffed toys, a magic. Is it a magic box or surprise box? And then this one is a domino. It's a domino. And blocks. Okay. These are example of cube. How about this 3D shape? What's the name of this one? Oh, so we called it cuboid. Everybody say cuboid. Can you think of any object with which are the shape of cuboid? Let's find out. Ta-da! Oh, look at this one. A building, right? A building is an example of cuboid. A washing machine. A television. A box of cereals. And a book. Okay, these are examples of cuboids. How about this one? What shape or what 3D shape is this? Oh, it's a sphere. Okay, it's a sphere. Can you think of any object which are shapes of a sphere? Let's see. Ta-da! Okay, look. You can see here a ball, an orange, a tennis ball, a globe, okay, a globe, and an apple. So these are real things. And these things are an example of sphere shape. Sphere shape. Okay, next. What is this? It's a cone. A cone. Okay, can you think of any object which are the shape of a cone? Let's see. Ta-da! An ice cream cone. Oh, what is this? Is it Hmm. What do we call for this one? A toy? Okay. How about this? Party hat. Okay, party hat. And this one, what do we call for this? Warning cone? We can see this one in the road. Road cone. Road cone. This cone used to warning the drivers if there are danger, right? So they put these cones on the road. Oh, what shape is this? It's a cylinder. Everybody say cylinder. Okay, a cylinder, can you think of any object which are the shape of a cylinder? Hmm. Ta-da! Oh, there's a lot of cylinder in our place or in our environment. Okay, you can see here garbage or bin, a cola in a can, a tumbler, uh, Pringles, okay, and this one, Ultra Clutch, hairspray, the hairspray for the hair. So these are example of a cylinder. How about this shape? Oh, so it's a square base pyramid. So we can say it's a square base pyramid because the base of this shape is square. Okay, it's a square shape pyramid, square base. Like this. Oh, with what place is that? Where is it? In? I think it's in Egypt. Oh, this shape is triangular prism. It's a triangular prism. Look, shape is triangle. Okay, we called it triangular prism. An example of triangular prism is, oh, chocolate, Toblerone. Toblerone chocolate is an example of a triangular prism. Okay, how can we describe these shapes? So we can describe the shapes. So these are all 3D, right? Okay, so as we describe this one, these shapes are 3D and it has face, edge, and vertices. Shemay? When you say 3D also, there are three things that we have to remember. There is height, width, and length. So all of these shapes has all those three characteristics of 3D shapes. Okay, let's name it. Cube, cuboid, sphere, square base pyramid, cone, cylinder, and a triangular prism. Okay, we can use words like face. Okay, remember? Faces, edges, and corners. Three important words in 3D shape. Okay, faces or sides. So this, can you see the color red lines? So all of this in front is what we call the shape, or not shape, the face of the shape. We can call it face or side. Okay? So all 3D shapes have faces. Okay, edge or edges. When you say edges, where is the edge of the shape? So this color red line is the edge of the shape. All 3D shapes have edges apart from a sphere. Okay, excluding sphere because sphere may be edge. Corners or vertices. So look at this shape. You can see the red dot in there. That is the corner or that is the vertex. Okay, we call vertex. If two or more or plural, call it vertices. Okay, plural, vertices. All 3D shapes have vertices apart from a sphere. Okay, excluding sphere, may me vertex or may me vertex, na? Okay, we can also say that shape, the face is, okay, look at this one. The face is the shape of a square. So this cube, its face is square shape. Okay, the characteristic of a cube, let's see. It has 6 faces that are square shape, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay, so let's count. Let's see if they're correct. Okay, let's count first the faces. 1, 2, at the back, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 bases in a cube. And also edge. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it has 12 edges. And the vertices, let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. It has 8 vertices. Okay, so here we have some examples. Now, can you name this all? Okay, let's see if we can name this 3D shapes or prism. Number 1, what kind of 3D shape is this? Okay, this one is a cuboid or rectangular prism. Okay, number 1 is a cuboid or rectangular prism. Number 2, okay, let's write cuboid. Cuboid. Number 2, what shape is this? It's a, let's see. Oh, here, there's an answer. No need to write. Cuboid. Number 2 is a sphere. Right, it's a sphere. 3, what do you call for that shape? It's a tetrahedron. Yeah, we call tetra because it has the base of triangle. Okay, the base is triangle. Tetrahedron. Number 4, cube. Number 5, square base pyramid. Oh, square base pyramid. Number 6, It's a triangular prism. Number 7, a cylinder. Number 8, cone. Number 9, do you know what kind of 3D shape is number 9? It's like a semicircle, but we called it, ta-da, hemisphere. Hemisphere. Everybody say hemisphere. And number 10, hexagonal prism. That's hexagonal prism. We say it hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because it has 6 sides. That is why we call it hexagonal prism. Okay, and that's it for today's lesson. And that's it for today's lesson in mathematics about characteristics of and parts of prism. Okay, and that's it. Bye-bye. See you next time.